Good morning, guys. Dan here. You're gonna walk. And you late wake up is up, and frankly, my sister woke up the wrong way. Oh shit. So I was on the way to school again, wasn't I? So yesterday was really weird. And no, why not? Oh shit, what's going on? Yeah, really. The question day while I'm at school. I doubt I'd do it at school and you probably can't see it, guys. Once the sunlight reaches me. There we go. Can't help. This ain't helping now. Alright. Yeah. It's a record because the sunlight's not getting to me.
I'm not filming that, though. It's crazy.
Yes, I was.
I'm zoomed in. It's not yours, you don't bloody have one. I didn't blind it.
Callum!
Hello. Say hello. Say hello to this camera. Hello.
You look so enthusiastic. That's how I normally look.
Where's the mic? When the hell is that thing going to start? Where's the mic on it?
Yesterday, so. Oh yeah, and then you got
Should we play the 7-minute long song? No. That's mental.
Where's your hat? Retaliate and he goes like, what happened?
Everyone, dance to this like Paul McCartney.
He couldn't see the number. And then they like rambling on about, are you friends? I'm like, yeah. And I had a handshake with Stephen, I pissed off. Everyone's like, what's he talking about? It's like a monster trying to get.
What is up with the gay American guy? It's a mini one. That's the American normal song.
No, it's not.
Okay.
American normal song is rubbish.
Fuck.
The mushroom? Yes.
Callum, it's a mini can.
It's a mini, it's a chode.
The contents of my bag. Watercolour.
He's a sex toy. Whose phone is that? Ace.
And I got that on camera.
You're in a
Free!
I'm recording.
I am recording.
Okay, what's my letter?
No, you're already out. I want to play.
What's my letter?
Africa's out. I hope you didn't just record me. What is it? What is it? Your turn.
I caught your crotch. Hey,
Got a load of the accent here.
I caught your crotch.
Can I just give us very important?
Hold on, your camera. Hold on. Yeah, go. Hold on. Let's go.
Vertical form tutor groups. Fun is dead. Mr. Orford and Miss Smith ate its corpse.
I'm about to experience that. Hey, Holly. My room. I found out my fucking door was knackered. Piece of shit. Yeah, the fucking thing is knackered. It won't come out for a lot of stuff. Oh shit. Yeah. That's what I do with everything. So yeah, I gotta get a new fucking thing. Oh yeah, I forgot I meant to. Alright. I can't make up the thing now. I am meant to start censoring again. We're going to do it tonight and tomorrow. Because it's still long-winded for me. That way used to keep me up all night while censoring. Because that's why I used to get frustrated out. But it used to be worse when it used to fail and I used to sit there going, Argh! It used to kind of save itself anyway. When it used to save. You save and then like halfway through publishing you used to go, didn't work. I was like, fuck you, bitch. Ugh. Actually, I'm gonna start censoring tomorrow. From it. Quickly on my iPad from it. Check something. Oh Oh my god, I haven't done this in ages. You know my time? The thing I started like ages ago, which when I start I start from 0, I'll start a new one. But yeah, I want to see if we can build the record. Which is 1774 at the moment. It's still going. And that's really, really slow. I mean that is like slow. Oh crap. Okay, let's do the timers. Los Angeles, which is just gone past like 10 past 12. 10 past 1 I mean. When this was recorded. Which was at 9:15 in the UK. Hong Kong. 12 past 4 tomorrow in the morning. 6 past 12 in Brisbane in the morning. I used to be probably still sleeping when I used to live out there. And in Houston it's just gone past 3 o'clock. So the big difference from LA to Houston is big. Around about 2 hours, 2 hours ahead. And stuff. That's pretty big. That's pretty big. Just don't watch my alarm. That's what timer. That's what I use for everything these days. I have no. I'm actually planning. I would like to get an iPhone, but I know you have to kind of like upgrade your contract for me to get an iPhone. Which my Nokia's downstairs. I've not turned it back on yet. Wow, I should really turn it back on. But yeah, I would like to get an iPhone. I don't know, because I'm planning in round about when I finish college and if I go to university, go to America. But I'd like to go to Florida, America. But I'd like to now have to go on the iPhone contract in Britain. So then, I know you can buy one, but you can like do it. So I might go to the Apple store again and look at the tariffs. But I will not go to Birmingham. Or go to the car store, which is better. So yeah, I would love to get an iPhone, to be honest. And ow, fuck! Just hit my hand on the wall of doom. Painting. Sister painted that one. It's the bathroom. Sister painted that. Sister painted that. Dad installed them. I'll show you downstairs later. Not later today, but like the weekend. I love doing that. We switch it. All the things that my mum and I have. We have crystal collection. Where's this snail I brought up? Oh, I brought that in year 6. And I can't remember which one's mine. I used to remind me of a Maggie Carp. Sonic the Hedgehog. Walrus guy. And Panda guy. The awesome Cobra. When did we get the Cobra? I don't know. Oh my god, it's the Chow. That's not Chaozu. That's the thing from DBZ. Oh, what's the thing? The thing of Pokemon that Dawn has, if you've ever seen it. Is it Passerichu or something? I can't remember how you pronounce it. It was something. I'm actually gonna turn my computer on, but my remote's over here because last night. Ugh. Oh my fucking hell. Actually, I like something. Actually, for people who watch this, go on Steam if you have it. And you know Slenderman? They've made a multiplayer. Steam made a multiplayer version with a new map. But it needs like 100% thumbs up to do it. So I want you guys to go on Steam if you have it, give it a thumbs up because it would be really awesome, and if so I'll give you my Steam name and I'll play with you. Yeah, we get my first chance to play with me, which I've never played Slenderman. I've seen gameplay and it's still throws the shit. It still throws the shit at me when I even watch it and that stuff. So yeah, actually that gives me a question today. Your favourite horror game. Your favourite horror game. I would love to know what you love to play. Yeah. So I'll love you guys to that. If so, I'll get your Skype name and I'll chat to you over Skype and we'll play it. We'll have fun. Play with my mate Andrew, but I don't think he watches these, so yeah. But I would love for you guys to do that, and yeah, really. So please just do that. That'd be great. You have a first time playing with me on it, and me screaming, not screaming. I'd be like, oh, it'd be pretty much that. Oh, so it's the night time now, and I've done like 3 vlogs in like 6 minutes. So yeah, nah, 2 vlogs in 2 minutes. This is gonna be the last one, but it's gonna be like a minute long thing. I kind of like to give it a general, quick, some quick clips, some long clips, depends. So yeah, because it's just easy. Then it gives a variety, but yeah, recently I've been doing short clips because that's how CTFXE do it. But computer's doing whatever it needs to do. So everyone knows about the channel reboot. I am not going to remind you about that because that just gets on my nerves all the time. Actually, I need to shave a thing. I got a spot on my lip somewhere. There. So alright. But yeah, I actually promise, like, I'll hopefully I won't keep on reminding you of how long the vlog's gonna be, because that takes me back to my 5-minute days when I sit like there on that bloody thing there and do it. That annoyed me. Okay, so I want to personally say goodnight to you guys, and I hope you have a nice today, tomorrow, yesterday, depends where you're watching it. So good night, and please stay tuned for the next couple of vlogs.